I would do this only at home, okay? This is our Flaming Dusse NOLA Hurricane. And it's flaming because we actually light it on fire, all right? So first what we'll do is we'll take some Dusse. All right. After that, again with the fresh ingredients, we'll take some fresh lime juice, squeeze it. After that, in true NOLA fashion, we'll add some passion fruit puree. Right. After that, we will add some orange juice. Okay. Again, we'll give it a shake. We're not going to use ice for this one because this drink is actually served warm. All right. We'll add it to our French coupe martini. After that, you are going to float. This is a Bocador 151. Who said yes? Yeah, for sure, for sure. All right, add it to the top. All right, there we are. You don't want to let your glass get too hot that after you sip it, you burn your lip. You just want to get it warm enough to warm the ingredients up inside the drink, right? Let me pick it up, I don't want to. All right, now this is when you want to entertain, be really, really fancy and show off to your out-of-town guests, all right? And it tastes like gold, all right? There we are. No, I can't have you all put this on fire and then hurt yourself, right? So, yeah, this is a really fun drink. Once again, folks, we appreciate you all for coming out. Definitely, we had a good time with you all. I'm hoping the food was good. I'm hoping the drinks was good. And we will see you the next time.